In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to change canvas size in DaVinci Resolve. So there are two ways to change our canvas sizes. So if you have DaVinci Resolve 20 or above, then you will see this option of this icon. So we need to click on this drop down arrow and then we'll see bunch of canvas sizes here. If you select Full HD or Ultra HD, then your canvas size will look like this. But if you want to have a portrait canvas size, then for that select portrait from here and then your canvas size will be switched to this. You can also expand the view of your portrait canvas. For that, tap on this expand icon. Once we tap on it, then our canvas size will be expanded. And now you can select your clip, go to inspector, and now if I increase the zoom here, you can see I can easily edit my vertical videos here while looking at my preview screen. But if you want to shrink it, then tap on this icon again and then your canvas size will be shrinked. And now if I again click on this icon under inspector, then I can switch it to square canvas as well, and then our canvas size will be square. Alternatively, there is second method as well. For that we need to open media pool and now right click on your timeline. Once you right click on it, then go to timelines, then click on timeline settings and make sure that this option is unchecked, because if this is checked then we cannot change our timeline resolution here. So make sure that it is unchecked. And now just tap on timeline resolution and select the resolution which you want to prefer. So let's say I want to go with 1920 by 1080, then I can select it. If you want to have vertical resolution for your project, then for that we just need to check mark this option of use vertical resolution and then just hit OK. If you want to have normal resolution like YouTube videos, then for that we need to uncheck this and then hit OK. And now you can see I'm back to my original resolution. So this was the complete process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.